Yeah. Oh, you already know what we gonna do.
Hey guys, this is Adam from GC4U, and today I'm going to disassemble my Sig Sauer P226 X5 CO2 blowback. Let's begin. Okay, so mag's out, that's out. This is where all action happens.
No last call to the bartender, what you got left? Pour it up, don't stop there. Hold your cup, take a shot, yeah. All night we celebrate, cause we everywhere and you not there.
That's most of it, but there's still the CO2 part. Okay, watch out, there's a little spring right there. So, remove that. There's a little spring, this is all the CO2 part. Now this is just a huge piece of metal that is worthless. This, I haven't figured out a way to disassemble this without breaking anything. You can take these off, but now we are going to reassemble it. This is the hardest part, I think. So, this is easy. Just put this in, push the little spring back with like a little flathead screwdriver. Puts back in. Make sure this is still springy. Pull it, springs back. Now, I've always had some trouble with this piece. This piece is very annoying to put in. So this is how you do it. Put this piece in, make sure it's sticking out. Put this piece in so it's all the way over there. It's really greasy, so I'm having some trouble grabbing onto it. Now, as you see, that can just be pushed right on. So shut it down this time. And just put it on. Oh, my hands are so greasy. Okay, and then flip that down. Already go. It's Adam from GC4U, disassembling and assembling.
Wake up on my at least have some breakfast first. Keep your nourishment first. And your mind on my lyrics, cause what you hoping to